Hey guys, I'd just like to go over the BMW Connected Drive app. So you can lock and unlock your car from your phone, flash your lights, sound your horn. You'll be able to see where your car is at. You can see the fuel and battery. Ventilate now, so what this does is you can set this to cool the inside of your cabin of the car, so it'll just circulate the air that's already in there. It doesn't heat up the car or cool it because it's not remote start, but it allows the air to circulate inside the cabin. Or you could set a timer, so if you get out of work at 5 o'clock, you could set it for 4:45 and it'll activate for about 15 minutes. If you don't enter your cabin, that's fine. It'll just deactivate on its own, or you could just select deactivate start time. Destinations, this is cool. So if you guys are looking for somewhere to go out to eat or go out and have drinks, you could look it up on here and then send the destination to your car, and then you could access the sent destination in your notifications in your iDrive system. And then in activities, this is where you can import calendar and get alerts, so you can send just plans that you have. You can find a destination, add trips to view, and share ETAs with other people to let them know where you're at when you're on your way. And in the hub, you could have dealers and bookings, roadside assistance, BMW driver's guide, see all, and then you can also add devices such as the Apple Watch now, which is very cool, so you're fully connected. And then more here, you could create a profile, settings, FAQ, send feedback, privacy and terms, and about and contact. I hope this helps, and I really hope that you guys take advantage of this so you can be fully connected with your BMW.